What's up? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World, and yes people, I got another freebie for you all to check out that's worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. This one just dropped today. Alright, so make sure you go download this right after the video ASAP. Now this is a nice watch face. It's definitely a weekend watch face, and it can be a dress up and of course a dress down watch face, right? Super casual maybe. But listen, the name of the watch face is called Disorder. I like the look, I like the design, the layout is really nice for analog watch face. This one looks pretty good. Now in AOD mode, you're going to get a very nice look, right? You're going to get your analog time, but the number that's going around the bezel of the watch is faded back, but you still can see the numbers. I thought that was super slick. Not bad at all by the developer. Now once the watch face is on, here's what you're going to be greeted with. Now up at the top, of course, you're going to get the logo. And you come down, of course, you're going to get info on calories burned, your heart rate, of course, your step information, battery, mile walked or ran, and also you got your date right here. And I love the look of the analog hands. Has a little premiumness to it as well. You got a unique second hand with a little arrow that's going around the bezel of the watch. And the index is white. I like that look. It really makes the background come out a lot. For a casual, for the most part, timepiece, this is not bad, right? But you also have shortcuts that you can tap into right here by the 9. You can go in and get your contacts, make a phone call, of course, get your music player. You need music on your run, right? Go into your settings, tweak your watch. I mean, for a free watch face, this gives you everything. Not bad at all, right? And you can tap down here. It is in the active. You can go into your calories burned, your steps, floors climbed, heart rate information, and you tap over here, you can get your step status info. Yes, this watch face definitely packs a punch, and on top of it, you can customize the color theme of the watch face to whatever color you want. You get a few in all, not a lot, but a few. But considering that the watch face is free, this is super awesome. But listen, people, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know. Be honest with me. Is this a download or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And please enjoy your weekend. Enjoy family and friends. But most of all, people, be safe. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.